The Northeast Indian Buddhist Unity Front USA has submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Ambassador of India at the Indian High Commission in the United States, strongly demanding justice for Angel Chakma, a 24-year-old MBA student from Tripura who lost his life following a brutal and racially motivated attack in Dehradun, India. In its memorandum dated January 13, 2026, NIBUF USA expressed profound grave outrage and firm condemnations of the violent assault, calling it a grim reminder of the growing racial hostility and insecurity faced by the student from the Northeast India. According to the memorandum, on December 9, 2025, Angel Chakma and his brother were subjected to repeated racial abuse, which later escalated into a violent physical attack, largely carried out solely on the basis of their ethnic identity. Angel Chakma sustained critical injuries and battled for his life for over 2 weeks before succumbing to his injuries on December 26, 2025. The organization stated that Angel Chakma that is not an isolated incident but reflects a deeper pattern of racial discrimination and violence. It described the incident as a grave violation of constitutional value, including the right to equality, dignity, and life. Raising serious concerns over the delay in accountability, NIBUF USA warned that justice delayed is justice denied, and rejected any attempt to dilute the gravity of the crime. The memorandum placed 4 key demands before the Indian authorities: a fair and impartial investigations into the killing of Angel Chakma, a fast-track investigation and trial to ensure timely justice, formal recognition of the crime as a racially motivated, a strong institutional safeguard to protect students from the Northeast India. NIBUF USA also expressed solidarity with the Angel Chakma family and wider Northeastern community. The organization further urged educational institutions, law enforcement agencies, and civil society to move beyond symbolic statements and take decisive preventive action against racial discrimination and violence, ensuring safety, dignity, and equal treatment for the students from the Northeast. This is a developing story. Chakma Time News will continue to closely follow this case and bring you all verified updates. Thank you for watching Chakma Time News. Fat Turu Turu.